Hi, Kitty. What you doing? What you doing, Kiko? I mean, that's not Kiko, that's another kitty. So I kind of had a brainstorm. If the check engine light's on, well, there's a lot of cats up here. Maybe it would reset itself if we like shut off the switch, like my dad said. Hi, kitty. Okay, kick it off for a minute. We'll wait here. Maybe the computer will go off. Wait a minute. Kick it on. Put it on fast. Just see what it does, I guess. Oh. That check engine light's on. Nope, she's still on. Now she's off. Now she's flashing. Now she's steady on. It's flashing now. I wonder what that code means. That's with the key on. Well. Interesting. Kick it off a minute. Engine's still on. Nope. I don't know what them flashes mean. If anybody knows what that means, appreciate it. It ran and ran, and it was, my dad said it was on steady when he was driving it. And then he shut it off here to change oil, or not change oil, I mean grease it up, and he went to start up, and it just flashes like I just showed you. And this is all it does. So I don't know, we tried hooking up a sensor up to it to see what's wrong, but we don't have the right thing. So if anybody knows what's wrong, I appreciate it. Comment below. 1990 Peterbilt. It's the first time it's ever done this. Does not smoke at all when it's starting. So anyway, that's what's wrong with this one here. So Could be the oil sensor down there too. I think it's a sensor somewhere. Oh, there's a Toddy key. Oh, you're gonna have fun in bed tonight, aren't you? Yeah, that's for sure. So anyway, just want to do that quick little video. Actually, this is the video I was gonna do. Was a semi. It's not running. Poor cat's down there. What the hell? So anyway, till next time. I guess we'll do it some other time. But the other video I had planned was something else, and it's coming soon, so I'll do that video later. So this is all for now. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more farm videos later.